Hello Sparkle Squad, this is Monica and I have another Beadable pin bar for you. Christmas edition. Oh, 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 Merry Christmas. So I have gone in and actually changed out all of my beads and things that I had from Halloween. I think I posted that video on Beading Brigade channel maybe when I put this thing together in October. So I had a lot of fun with that whole project, and I have now transitioned into Christmas. So I'm going to make some Grinch pins, maybe a Snoopy pin, a bunch of Santas, Christmas trees, coffees, all sorts of things, and I hope that you're excited to see me do that. Now, I've got to fill up my little pen holder here with Christmas. That way I can send these for stocking stuffer gifts. So let me know below. Have you tried to make beadable pens? Have you enjoyed it? I just think they're fun. I mean, I transition this out. I can even make keychains and things. And really, as long as I've got these kind of beads that will fit on these pin blanks, the possibilities are endless. And that's what I love about it. And it's not just for holidays. I mean, it could be any kind of gift. Okay, now we're looking down into the different sections that I have here. And I've got all sorts of things. Really, I ultimately just wanted to separate out the red, green, and white beads. But then I got to thinking, well, I might do snowmen. And I had some beads that coordinated. So like your blues and your whites. And then I thought, well, I've got this Christmas tree up here that is bright pink and it's got yellow and green on it. So how am I going to do that? Well, then I had to have a pink section. But then I kind of blended it with some yellows and some non-Christmassy colors, if you could say, to do that. But then when I was doing that, I found I had a pink Santa Claus in his sleigh, guys. So I have to do one of those, you know, it probably for myself. All right, so because I know who's getting this one right off the bat, can you guess which one this is going to be? This may or may not be for my husband, guys. I don't know. But I want to make a Grinch pin. So I have some crocheted beads. I thought this might be kind of cool to go. I don't know if it'll fit. Will it fit? It's a wooden bead. So yeah, the hole's big enough. I just don't know if I can get it through this portion of the crochet here. I'm trying to get it through that. They have to play around a little bit. Up, there it goes. So yeah, see how cute that is? I'm just gonna build onto this. I can't really put a whole lot on there, and because of how dang cute this is, I'm sure he's never gonna use it, but I'm gonna make him take it to work. I'm gonna use this for the topper. So that means, I mean, I've got limited space here as we get up to the top. So maybe like one more bead, I don't know. I'm going to play with it. I have these little Grinch bead faces here, but I thought I would do something different.
You're a mean one, Mr. Grinch.
Okay, this barely fit. I had to change this out for like a smaller bead. I put one of these little ruffle things on there with the face. It's too cute. And then, of course, whoops, I twisted it the wrong way. Then you got to twist it to right with it and twist it back to pull the pin back up there. He will never use this pin, but this is just the cutest thing I have ever seen in my life, guys. Yes, wouldn't you love that in your fellow Grinchy stocking? I would, but I'm not a Grinch. I love it. Okay, now here is another little pin that is super cute, but it's not got enough room here, so I have to kind of push this down. Since it's a little spongy, that will work.
Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas, Sparkle Squad!
How cute is this? And it's that buffalo check. Okay, so let me see. Yep, twisty. Gets him to right. Now what I had to do, because I couldn't just by holding this down get that to screw back on easily, so I just took it and put this on the table, the flat part of the pin without the pin being released, and then I just pushed that down further using the table as like a little bit of leverage in order to screw that back on. So now it is good to go. So you don't want to have so many beads on there that you're not able to get it to stay or to screw on. But if you can make it work because you're using these little spongy silicone things here, then it's okay. Oh goodness, guys, I have been busy. So I have made, I think, 22 of my beaded pins, which begin over here and then finish up over here. And then I actually did make some keychains, and I did the ones that's got the little pointed bottom, and then I've got the ones that's got the rounded. So I've been busy, but I still have a ton of beads and one of those silicone things. So I've got all kinds of things I can make. If anybody's interested, let me know. So first up is a Grinch pin. Now this is a different little face, and I used a wooden Santa hat, but notice the heart bead, and it's a heart on the side. But I thought once it got onto the pin, it made it look like his body. But you remember what they say about the Grinch and his heart? What is it? It grew 3 sizes that day. And then I did this really pretty blue heart, and this is just kind of like a winter ice type of vibe. Love that pen. Then I did this cute little, I didn't anticipate that I was going to like this gold pen. It's got like little gold blurbs on it, but then I got to thinking, you know, it kind of looks like snow, even though it's gold snow. And then it went perfectly with that Santa bead there, so I thought it was cool. I love it. And then if you like your Dunkin' Donuts, there is a pin for you. Complete with a crochet bead, because you know, it's cold outside. Here's a cute little snowman pin with a bunch of sparkle. There is one of my pink Santas with the blue. This is probably going to be mine because it's pink and blue. I just realized that. Those square beads are kind of cool. They make it look like a Christmas present. Here is the Nurse Fuel. I didn't know that I had a pin blank that matched, so that worked perfectly. I made it. Santa in Buffalo Check. I think this is probably my favorite Santa pin. And this has got to be my favorite Grinch. Look at that. It's just so cute. Oh my gosh. If I can get my husband to use this at work, then you know that man loves me. I can pretty much already tell you the word it will be no. But whatever. This is a cute and ultra sparkly snowman pen. I just love the Buffalo Check, the snowy vibe with the glistening sparkles. Too cute. I love those little beads there. They're like a lampwork glass bead. And this was the crazy tree. But ultimately, I think it looks good on this green sparkle pen. And then that looks like a yellow present. And then it's sitting on a snowy base. This is the cutest Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. And I thought I'd use that sparkly ruby looking bead because, you know, Rudolph's nose has got to shine so bright. And it's cold, so I used a crochet bead. I don't have any kids, but you know, adults love these things too, so there you go. This is a cute little Santa pin, and it has some black sparkle with some green and red. Here's the other pink Santa Claus, and I think this looks really cute. It's got some pink Christmas trees, and then that gingham or buffalo check, however you want to say it, with this burgundy fluffy pin. This is an interesting, I still don't know if I like this or not. If you do, let me know. Because of the colors on this snowman bead here, where it's kind of that periwinkle blue, and it's got a little bit of red, and then it's got some purple, purpley pink really on the scarf. I thought that I would put that on this pin because when they created this pin, this is a red sparkle base. But this is kind of a pinky burgundy color in the sparkly area here. And I thought, well, you know, it pulls the red and then that little element of purple from the burgundy-ish look down here because it coordinates, I thought. So, I don't know. Let me know what you think. I think it's ultra cool with the crochet bead and then this little fuzzy ball. And here comes Santa Claus right down Santa Claus Lane. This is one that's on a clear present with a snowball and black sparkle pen. So simple, but very cute, I thought. I hope I don't get a copyright. Here is the Santa Snoopy. And he says, Merry Christmas. He's on buffalo plaid with a little fluffy ball there. I just love this. It's just so cute. And here's another version of the Grinch pin. And I don't know, I'm kind of liking this one the more I look at it. Merry Grinchmas. And it's got it on some green buffalo plaid, which looked perfect, I thought. And that crochet bead is all nice and furry looking. I just think it's a cute, cute, cute pin. This is another Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer vibe, man. And it says Merry Christmas. He's got a funny little hat up there. Very blingy. I love it. Now this is something for people that need to have their pin on them at all times. It clips to whatever your shirt is, or however you want to do it, your pocket or something. And then when you need to sign something, you're just going to pull that right down and then twist your pin so that you can sign, then retwist it, and then it's just going to be retractable on wherever you've got it hanging from. So I thought that that was a very cool idea, handy for anybody that needs to do those kinds of things with signing all the time. Here's the other nurse fuel pin, and then I just thought it looked really good to have it with a brown bead on this kind of a bronze looking pin that has all the sparkle. It's very blingy, but it's got a beautiful little pink snowman and a little ruffle separator. And then we have another Dunkin' Donuts, and this is one of those ombre pins, so it's a pink metallic and kind of goes into an orangey gold down here. I thought that was perfect for this other Dunkin' Donuts pin. Alright, so there are all of my pins, guys. Oh my gosh, that's crazy. I have these little keychains here, and they have a little chain that you can use with the lobster claw clasp. You can rework this however you want, but the main thing is the beaded link. Now some of these are pointed. I don't know how well it would work since it's just got beads on this, but the premise is if you need to, you can grab hold of the end of your keychain and hit whatever you need to. Some people talk about the windshield breakers and stuff, but I think you actually need the windshield breaker tool for that and not a beaded tool. But in a pinch, if you need to defend yourself, by all means, you know, go for it. So there's a Santa with green snowflake pants. Here he is with the red snowflake pants. So we got two different Santas. They cute adorbs. Then I have this one. It's a pink Santa bead with a red-hatted Santa and a little Christmas tree. Just such a super cute lamport glass bead. And then I put the coordinating colors on there with a nice little element of sparkle. And there is a Santa keychain. Now this one is the rounded end, and you can dangle whatever you want to off of this bit of chain. I didn't put anything there because I thought maybe somebody might want to dangle their own charm or whatnot. And then I did another version of Santa, again on the rounded, and this one was a white Santa bead and a little bit different beadwork there. I love these little snowflake wooden buffalo check beads. I've got them in the red and the green. I wish I could get like the red and green mix. That'd be really pretty. And I got two snowmans. One is a Merry Christmas in green, and the other is a Merry Christmas in red. Oh my gosh. So cute. I love that. And these are on the pointy keychains. And let's not forget about our Grinch. Oh, he's got his Santa belt on with his sparkly green drawers. Very cute. So yeah, those are all of my little keychains and all of my pins. I mean, I went a little crazy, but I got a bunch of things that I can either put up for sale or to give as stocking stuffer, gifts, things like that. Ultra fun project. So let me know below in the comments, what was your favorite of my beadable pins or keychains? And do you have any tips or tricks for your own making of these? I really enjoy doing it. Having this beadable pin bar just means that I can go crazy. I've loaded everything here, the colors and stuff that I need. And then I can just sit here and make several at a time and not have to be digging through all my beads and boxes and stuff like that. So it's a lot of fun for me to do. And I will put the link below again to Amazon where I got this beadable pin bar, and my video of me putting it together is over at the Beading Brigade channel. I'll try to remember to link that. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and share this with any of your jewelry making friends that might be interested in the beadable pin bar and creating their own pins and keychains and things like that. I think it's ultra fun. You can do it for any kind of holiday or any kind of theme, whatever floats your boat. And then it makes perfect gifts, and also it's very easy to sell these at craft fairs. If you've not already subscribed to my channel, please do so. And as always, thank you all so much for watching, and have a sparkle-rific Christmas, y'all. Bye!